Hello children, today we are going to learn our next lesson, the four friends. Children, do you have friends? Yes, we all have friends, right? We will share our food, our toys, everything with our friends. Now let us go into our lesson. This is a story from a long time ago. And that means once upon a time when peacocks had not learned to glide and monkeys had not learned to climb trees. So children, this is the story when the peacocks had not learned to glide. Glide means peacocks can fly from one place to another place and they can land from the higher places. Peacocks doesn't know how to glide at that time, and the monkeys do not know how to climb the trees. Okay, now let us read the story. One day a peacock plants a little seed. A rabbit comes there. She asks, "Can I help?" The rabbit came to the peacock and asks, "Can I help?" What is the peacock doing? The peacock is planting a seed. And the rabbit asked the peacock, "Can I help?" "Yes," says the peacock. "Please water the seed." The rabbit waters the seed. What did the peacock say? "Yes, you can help me and please water the seed." The peacock asks the rabbit to water the seed. The rabbit waters the seed daily. Then a monkey comes there. He asks, "Can I help?" To whom the monkey asks? To the rabbit. Monkey asked the rabbit, "Can I help?" "Yes," says the rabbit. "Please feed the seed." So the monkey feeds the seed. Children, we can eat our food like rice, cooked vegetables. Like that, we can eat our food. What do a seed eats? Seed eats manure. Manure means fertilizers. So the monkey is feeding the seed daily. Then there comes an elephant. She asks, "Can I help?" To whom the elephant asked? To the monkey. The elephant asked the monkey, "Can I help?" "Yes," says the monkey. "Please guard the seed." So the elephant guards the seed. Children, do you know what is meant by guard? Guard means protect. Our parents protect us. That means our parent guard us. Like that, the elephant is guarding the seed. The elephant guards the seed daily. First, who plants the seed? The peacock plants the seed and the rabbit waters the seed. Monkey gives food to the seed and the elephant guards the seed. The little seed grows into a little plant. The little seed grows into a little plant. The little plant grows into a big tree. Big red apples grow on the tree. So children, the seed grows into a big tree and that tree has big red apples. That means this is a tree which is having apples. That means it is an apple tree. So children, from where this big tree came? This tree came from a small seed. That means plants grow from the seed. Do you understand, children? Plants grow from the seed. So the four friends together planted the seed and they make the seed to grow into a big tree. Now it's turn to eat those fruits. They are here to eat the fruits. First, who came here? An elephant. "I cannot reach the apples," cries the elephant. Elephant is crying because he couldn't reach the apples. "I can help," says the monkey. Monkey came there and says that, I can help. He jumps onto the elephant's back. The monkey jumps onto the elephant's back. I cannot reach the apples, cries the monkey. Monkey also cannot reach the apples, and he also crying. I can help, says the rabbit. And the rabbit came there and saying that he can help. And she jumps onto the monkey's back. Who jumps onto the monkey's back? The rabbit. I cannot reach the apples, says the rabbit. Rabbit also couldn't reach the apples. I can help, says the peacock. Peacock came there and said, I can help. He jumps onto the rabbit's back. And now what happened there? The peacock can reach the apples. Now we can reach the apples, says the peacock. The four friends are happy. They work together. Now they have yummy apples to eat. So children, what did the four friends do? They planted the seed together and take care of the seed together, right? And they helped each other to reach the apples, and now they can eat the yummy apples together. So children, like these four friends, we also have to be helpful and we have to be friendly with the people in our family and with our friends and to the loved ones. So children, now tell me one thing. What do a seed need to grow? First, the peacock planted the seed and rabbit came there and watered the seed, right? That means if a plant need to grow from the seed, it needs soil, water and food. What is the food of the seed? Manure. It needs soil, water, manure and love and care. Along with that, sunlight and air also needed. Okay children, we know that plants grow from where? Plants grow from seeds. Have you ever grown a plant? I think no, right? Let us try. Okay, ask your mother and plant any seed in your garden and take care of the seed daily, water the seed daily and observe the changes in that seed. The seed needs sunlight, right? We have to take this. Fruit juice? No. Milk? No. Water? Yes. The seed needs water to grow. Soil? Yes. We have to take this. Oil? Do a seed need oil to grow? No. Manure? Yes. This is the food of the seed. Manure. The seed needs this to grow. Exercise? Children, do you think a plant can do exercise? No. Only humans will do exercise, right? No. Fire? What happens if the plant goes near the fire? The plant will be in the fire and it will die, right? So this is wrong. Air. A plant need air. And bread? No. Love and care. It is must and should love and care, not only to humans or pets. For plants also, if we take care of them, they will grow more better and they will give more products. Okay children, two things we learned today. The things needed by a seed to grow into a plant: sunlight, air, water, soil, food. Food means manure and love and care, right? And the next thing we learned is we have to be helpful and we have to be there for all the people, like our friends, our family members. Okay children, we have to be there for them. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Have a good day.